This week we're looking at a little small van and we're going to look at a bigger van. So first up we've got the Bailey Pursuit 402. 1,090 kilograms maximum, so a real little lightweight van, compact van. So let's have a look inside and see what it's like. What an absolute little cracker. As I say, 1,090 kilograms, so it's a lightweight two-berth. We've just got the seating area at the front, which this makes into a double bed, or we can use it as two single beds. They are a good size, this. We've got the little fold-up table, so what more do we need? We've got the little kitchen area, so we've got full fridge, works three-way, hot and cold water. We've got our 3-burner hob, and then our grill and oven combined, so we've not took up extra space. Got the microwave, and again, huge, absolutely huge amounts of storage in this. And then at the back, you know I like a nice little washroom. Absolutely loads of room in there. So it's a 2017, so we get the nice big sunroof in the front here which lets in loads of light. And again, if you're looking for something a bit smaller, you don't want it too heavy, you just want to go a bit wild camping now and again, this has got absolutely everything that you're going to need. And sometimes I think we can go a little bit too far. We want all the big plush things, we want a big huge van. If it was just two of us, this would be ample. This is plenty, to be fair. So what more do you need? Coming to have a look inside and see what it's like. We're inside of the Bessacarr 625. As I say, it's a twin axle. We're 26 foot. We've got the fixed bed. We've got these lovely cabinets again. But is it all just going a little bit over the top? These are getting on for 40 grand brand new again, and it sort of defeats the object of an affordable family holiday. It was all meant originally for cheap family holidays. And have we all just gone a little bit too far? Do we need electric opening sunroofs, reverse camera, the big fridge freezer? We do get a lovely kitchen area, to be fair, and we've got the little fold-up workspaces. So we've got the nice big fridge freezer. And what a fridge freezer it is. So we've then got the fixed bed, and then leading through we've got the nice big washroom. So you can really see where the value of this is. It's a lot bigger van than the first one that we looked at. You're getting a fixed bed, big fridge freezer, reversing camera, extract fan in the bathroom, remote automatic roof lights. But do we really need all this? We're supposed to be going away for fun, for holidays. Have we just gone too far?